Pearson Nissan Mitsubishi in Ocala has been your Marion County dealer for 30 years. Come by to take a look at our new facility and meet our new management.
Check out this Venetian Red 2010 Hyundai Santa Fe SUV, equipped with a 4-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission with 84,155 miles. Enjoy an exceptional 28 miles to the gallon on this great SUV with features like HomeLink system, keyless entry, leather upholstery, power sunroof, power driver's seat, heated seat, anti-lock braking system, alloy wheels, backup camera, navigation system, and much more. Enjoy the drive and have peace of mind in this 2010 Hyundai Santa Fe. See us at Pearson Nissan of Ocala today.
A Carfax Vehicle History Report is completed on every vehicle in stock. Come in for a test drive today.